Hello everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to use Google Photos. This is for beginners. Okay, so actually you can download Google Photos to your computer and also to your mobile phone, Android device or iPhone. It's okay. Now, first advantage of using Google Photos is that if you save and upload photos and videos here, you can easily free up space or upgrade your storage. Okay, so for example, you reach 15 GB, okay, and you want to upload more or you want to share photos more, what you're going to do is to simply upgrade your storage in order for you to store more photos and videos. So that's the first benefit. Second benefit is you can easily sync your photos and videos. Okay, so you get a lot more benefits from adding videos to Google Photos. First of all, because automatic backups may be configured, the process is simple and quick. Additionally, it enables you to access your files from any place or device. All you have to do is to get access, log in whenever you have an internet connection. The amount of storage you have is one of Google Photos' most significant benefits. When uploads are in the standard high quality format, videos are stored at a maximum resolution of 1080p and users get unlimited storage. Number three benefit is that it can easily share photo and video. You can share one or many photographs or videos at once with Google Photographs extremely easily. The file sharing process is quick and may span huge distances because you don't have to worry about moving a lot of files on your computer, and all of the stuff you will be working with is in cloud storage. The most natural way to share photographs and movies is directly from your mobile device. A social networking application like Instagram can frequently be opened and used to share a photo or video. However, you always have the choice to go into Google Photographs and share photographs and videos here if you only want to share specific photos with specific people. Okay, so let's start. Now, if you don't have your Google Photo application yet, you can go to your Play Store or App Store and then simply type Google Photos. And then there you can see an install button. But if you have this application already, then you can see open or update. So for me, I haven't updated this application yet, so I need to click update. Now I have to wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Now, once done updating, all you have to do is just simply open this application. Okay, so now this is your Google Photos. And as you can see here, we have photos, search, sharing, and library. Photos here is your home page. And then at the top right corner, that is your profile. Now, to start backing up your account or files, you just have to click your profile and then tap this backing up to a different account if you want to back up to a different account. But if you want to just back up using your account, you just have to click that one. And then here, make sure that this one is toggled on, okay, turned on. And then after that, you want to change settings to your photos and videos. All you have to do is to go to this backup quality and then click this original quality if you select this one. Okay, so if you select this, then there's no changes and there will be no changes for your videos and photos once you upload it. Now, if you want to change it to storage saver, all you have to do is select that one. Okay, so you can also click this mobile data usage if you want and other options here. But for me, I want to click and select this original quality so that there will be no changes once I upload my videos and photos. Okay, so let's go back. So this is for your backup option here. So if you tap this mobile data usage, okay, you can see here data limit for backup. You can choose if it's unlimited, 30 MB only, 10 MB only, then you can no longer upload. Okay, so That's your choice. Okay, so turn on backup videos over data, or you can also turn on this backup while roaming. So everything is up to you if you put some limitations for your backup, but for me, I'll choose unlimited. Okay, then once you're done with your settings, you can go back to your home page or photos here. Okay, so if you're going to tap any of your picture here, image here, for example, this one, I'm going to show you what you see or what options can you see once you tap this image or photo that you have uploaded here in your Google Photos. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So we have here share, edit, lens, and delete. So if you're going to tap this edit, then you will see options here like enhance, warm, cool. You can also click crop tools and adjust if you want. Filters, then you have tons of filters here. Feel free to tap the one that you like. And then after that, all you have to do is simply click save. Okay, so there are not so many filters and effects here, but it's okay. Now, after that, you can also click this lens. Okay, so if you tap this photo, then it will take you directly to some results here. Okay, so actually I got it from Google. So if I'm going to tap Lens, then it will take me to the site where I downloaded this picture. Okay, and then you can also click delete if you want, move the trash, but make sure that you really want to delete this picture. Okay, but it's okay. You can see that later under archive. Okay, so if you click this three dots at the top right corner, so you will see these options: delete from device, use as, move to archive, okay, use as, wallpaper to your phone, or profile picture to your WhatsApp. You can even add location here. So in short, if you want to see the details of your image, you just have to tap these three dots. This star means you added this to your favorites. Click done. And then this one, that means you will upload it again to your storage. And then this one is to link it to your other device. Okay, and then when you go to search, we're done with photos. When you go to search, this is what it looks like. So here, actually, you can see people here, faces here, but I haven't uploaded any photos on this storage, so you can see the faces of the people. But once you uploaded pictures here, then the people or the faces of the people will appear here. Okay, those images that you can see on your files, they will appear here. Okay, so we have here some features, okay, categories. So if you want to search a specific photo, you can just search it here. You can search videos here. Okay, you can search your screenshots and favorites and creations and recently added. Okay, you can even import photos if you want. So if you're going to tap sharing, then you can now share your photos. Okay, you can create an album and then share it. For example, if I'm going to create an album and import all the photos and pictures of our family reunion, then the good thing is that I can just share it. Okay, share it to the people that I want to see this album. Okay, so that's how easy it is. For example, this one, add photos, select photos, and then once done, I can simply share this. Okay, so if I'm going to tap share, then I can share this to any social media platforms. Okay, for example, you can share it to your Facebook, you can share it to your friends or families, WhatsApp, okay, Facebook group. You can even get link and then copy and paste that somewhere, something like that. Okay, so there are many ways on how to share this album. Okay, so that's it. Now, if you go back and then try to click this three dots here, more, then there you can see this option, link sharing, create link. Okay, so the three dots above, you can see the options share, select, edit, and more. That's it. Now, lastly, go to your library. Then here you can see your albums. Okay, we have another here, select a partner, select partner. So you can choose your partner here. You can invite someone to look at your albums and pictures. So all you have to do is to add, and then that's it, confirm. And then lastly, we have here library. So here you can see your favorites, utilities, archive, trash, and so on. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.